Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed your LinkedIn profile post into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder Squarespace. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and if you haven't created your account, just log in and create an account or sign up. And if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And from here, we're gonna have to click this create widget button, and if you click this will redirect you to the creation of widget page. And from here, we're going to select our widget type, and that widget type is LinkedIn profile posts. And now it says here that we have to paste our LinkedIn profile post or LinkedIn profile ID. So what is our profile ID? Now going to our LinkedIn profile, we're going to use this profile from Simon Sinek, and we're going to use his profile as an example for our video tutorial. Now our profile ID is this. We can copy this, and now all we have to do now is paste it here in the SociableKIT, and we're gonna have to click next. Now this is our LinkedIn profile post. As you can see, everything is in here, is also the same in our profile feed in our LinkedIn profile. Now if you have encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will open up the SociableKIT chat support. Now moving on into our customization and moderations tab located at the left side of our screen, and we're going to highlight some of them. First, in the themes tab, in here we have these different kinds of maliwalas theme, or we have this different kind of default color theme, and each of this theme has its own color combination. So for example, this maayos theme, if I click yes, this color combination of black, white, brown, and light gray should be embedded into our LinkedIn profile posts. And as you can see, it is successfully saved, and our feed is now in maayos theme. There it is. Now moving on into the post tab. In here, we can change the layout of our feed, the post count, the column count, and so on. So in the layout tab, we can change it into grid, masonry, or carousel, and we will going to change it into grid because I like it because it's professional and looks organized. And I can also change the post count into 10, and I'm going to save changes. So the feed should be in the grid layout in only 10 post count. And here it is. As you can see, it is now in grid. Everything is aligned, and our column count is also in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now moving on into the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the color theme that fits your website in the themes tab, you can also manually change it in here. So you can manually change your profile name color, the background color, you can change the feed font color too, and so on. Moving on into the fonts tab. In here, in the fonts tab, you can change the font family of your feed. So for example, I have Arial font at the moment. I can change it into Century Gothic. Here it is, and I click save changes, and this should change from the Arial font family into the Century Gothic font family. And as you can see, it is now in the Century Gothic font family. Now lastly, in the CSS tab, in here, if you have any kinds of design or any kind of CSS that you want to add, you can also put it in here to add into your feed. Moving on, if you have already finished customizing your feed, we are going to embed this now into our Squarespace by clicking this button, and we can also change other website builder if you want. And in our case, we're going to select Squarespace because that is our video tutorial, and we're going to follow this step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our Squarespace. First, we're going to copy the code and changing the JavaScript code into iframe code, and we're going to copy this iframe code, and we will go into our Squarespace website builder. Now in here, remember that you can put your LinkedIn page or LinkedIn profile post feed into an existing page or in a new page, which we will do. We're going to create a page, which I have already done, and we're going to edit this page, and we're gonna have to add a block and click this code and edit this code by removing the hello world print and pasting our iframe code from our SociableKIT, and this should load up our SociableKIT feed. Now as you can see, it is currently thin. We can change that by expanding this. Here it is. As you can see, it is now expanded. As you can see that every thing that we change is in here, from the font family, from the layout, and the themes. Now we're going to save this, and then we're gonna exit into the editing mode, and as you can see, this is now our SociableKIT feed. Everything that we change is in here, from the layout, which is grid, the post count, the feed font color, which is in Maaya's theme, and the font family that we also change. That is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe and ring that notification down below so you are updated into our new video tutorials, and comment down below if you have any feedbacks. And that is all, and I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.